In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on Evernote. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get to the right place to contact support about a refund. First, make sure you're signed into your Evernote account in your web browser. Once you're on the main Evernote interface, look toward the upper area of the screen for your profile name. This is usually displayed near the top, often in the corner. Go ahead and click on your profile name. This opens a small menu connected to your account where you can access various settings and support options. In that menu, look for the option that says Need Help. This is Evernote's quick link into their support resources. Click on Need Help. When you do this, Evernote will bring up more detailed options to help you find answers, including links to articles and contact forms. From the options that appear, you want to choose Help Center. Click on Help Center to open Evernote's dedicated support site in a new tab or window. This Help Center is where Evernote keeps its guides, troubleshooting information, and ways to reach their support team. If you're not automatically signed in there, make sure you're using the same account that you're requesting the refund for, so support can see the correct subscription details. Once the Help Center page has loaded, look toward the top right area of the screen. You should see a link or button that says Submit a Request. This is the entry point for contacting Evernote support directly. Click on Submit a Request. From here, you will be able to choose the type of issue you're having, such as billing or subscription problems, and then request a refund if it's available for your situation. Take a moment to provide clear information about your account, your recent payment, and why you're requesting the refund. The clearer and more polite your explanation, the easier it is for support to understand and process your request. And that's it. You've gone from your Evernote account into the Help Center and to the Submit a Request page where you can ask for a refund. Follow